All right, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video testing out the microphones on the CMF Buds Pro 2. Now, in today's microphone test video, we're going to test out the microphones on these earbuds in two distinctive scenarios. The first scenario is going to be an ideal or as close to ideal as I can get it sound free scenario, which you guys and gals are hearing right now. And then the second scenario is going to be a simulated crowdy or noisy environment scenario, which I'm going to use the crowd noise I have pulled up on my Roku TV on the background, in the background, to simulate that crowdy or noisy environment. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video, and I hope you guys and gals find it helpful. So as I said, this first scenario is the ideal scenario, or as close to ideal as I can get it in terms of having a noise-free environment. Now for reference, it is 90 degrees outside, so my AC is going, and I do have my overhead ceiling fan going as well. So there's a little bit more ambient noise than usual, but I don't want to be extra toasty, so I had to turn on the AC and turn on the ceiling fan, and now I'm nice and cool. But this is as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. Okay. Now I'm just going to push play on my crowd noise, the simulated crowd noise that I have pulled up on my TV in the background. I'm going to let it play for a little bit, and then I'm going to talk at my normal volume, at my natural cadence, and give y'all an idea of how these microphones perform in a crowded environment. So without further ado, let's push play. Okay, let this play for a little bit. Okay, now I'm just going to talk at my normal volume and my natural cadence. And this is an idea of how the microphones on the CMF Buds Pro 2 perform in a cloudy or simulated noisy or cloudy environment. Okay, hopefully they're doing a great job. Now, I won't know until I watch the video back in post, but you guys and gals let me know down below in the comments below. All right, so that does it for this test. Let's push pause now. Okay. And that, guys and gals, essentially does it for today's video. Now, real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to let everyone see and know how I have this video set up. So, recording this video here today, I'm using a combination of the front and rear facing cameras on the Google Pixel 6a. Okay? Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with Bluetooth audio hooked up. I'm going to throw up some B-roll of how I hooked up that audio now. Now, typically I use my Samsung device to do this, but for some strange reason, my Samsung device would not connect with Bluetooth audio. Now, I got it to connect to the earbuds, but it wouldn't connect with the Bluetooth audio in the Samsung camera application. But thankfully, I did get it to connect with Bluetooth audio with the Google Pixel camera application. So as you can see here, I'm gonna throw the B-roll now, and you can see I just verified that the earbuds were connected to the Google Pixel 6a. And then I jumped into the stock camera application. Then I jumped over to video. Then I jumped into the settings for video, and I went over to the audio setting or the microphone setting, and I switched that to Bluetooth audio. Then I just wanted to verify that you guys and gals could see that I am using crowd noise from YouTube. And then I went ahead and set the volume for my TV to 18%. Then after that, I just flipped the camera to the front facing camera and push record on today's video. So that's giving you guys and gals a real quick idea of how I set up today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you click off the notification bell right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Also, if you're interested in where you can see more CMF content, I'll link up my continued coverage of the CMF products by Nothing down below in the video description. So you guys and gals can get all the coverage that I've done on all the CMF products to date, as well as affiliated purchasing links if that piques your interest as to where you can pick up those products. And as the name implies, those are affiliate links. So if you decide to make your purchase using those links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, and that also makes the video description down below a one-stop shop for everyone as well. All right? So you should be good to go. Hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Whew. Once again, we're saved by the capabilities of the Google Pixel 6a. I don't know what's going on with the Samsung, man. I really don't know. Samsung S21 Plus, it either works with certain products or it doesn't. It just is what it is. But this is why you always need a secondary device. So when your main device doesn't work for what you need it to, you got a backup device that can do what it do. Anyways, that does it for today's video. Hope everyone is having a good one, and I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. We are out of here, everyone. Peace.